I will show you, in this video, I will show you how to do the long division between polynomials. And here we have problem for x to the 4 plus x squared minus 5x minus 6. Everything is divided by 2x squared plus x plus 3. So I will show you both ways, the boxing method and also the long division method. So let's start with long division. So now we have 4 x to the 4 plus x, and you see that from x to the 4 and x to x squared, we're missing the x to the third power. So then instead of that, I put 0 x to the third power. Okay. And then plus x squared minus 5x minus 6, and then divided by 2x squared plus x plus 3. So now when you start with long division, you start with the first term on each side, or the leading coefficient of each side. So we have 4x to the 4 divided by 2x squared, and if you're not sure, you can do it on the side. Okay, so on the side here, we can write as 4x to the 4th power divided by 2x squared, and it will give us 2x squared. Okay, so then we got we got 2x squared. We place it here, and now for the next step, you will take 2x squared multiply by 2x squared here. That means you get 4x to the 4th, and then you take 2x squared, you multiply by the x here. So that means you get 2x cubed, and that's the reason why we need the replacement for 0x to the 3rd power. And then next we have 2x squared times 3. So that will give you 6x squared. Okay, and now next step we do subtraction. We subtract. All right. Okay, so if you take 4x to the 4, subtract 4x to the 4, it gives you 0x to the 4th, or you can just cross them off. And then 0x cubed minus 2x cubed, it gives you negative 2x cubed. And then x squared, which means 1x squared minus, and then I have 6x squared, so it will give me negative 5x squared. Okay, and now I bring this down. So now I have this. Also bring this down. All right. Okay, then next I'll erase these, and then next I will take negative 2x cubed, this one right here, divided by 2x squared. So I do it on the side too. Negative 2x cubed divided by 2x squared, and it gives me negative x. So I go back here and put negative x. And now I do the same. So take negative x multiply 2x squared, it's give me negative 2x cubed, and keep going. I have negative x times x is give me negative x squared, and then negative x times 3, it gives me negative 3x. And I follow the same routine. I put subtraction here. So now the first term always cancel out. So then it's give me 0x cubed. And then next I have negative 5x squared minus negative x squared. So basically I have negative 5x squared plus x squared, and it gives me negative 4x squared. And then negative 5x minus negative 3x, and it gives me negative 2x. Now I bring this down. Okay, So now I erase this arrow here and keep going. So I take the first term again, so I have negative 4x squared divided by 2x squared. So negative 4x squared divided by 2x squared, and it gives me negative 2. So put negative 2 up here. I do the same routine now. Take this negative 2 multiplied by 2x squared. I got negative 4x squared, and then negative 2 times x, I got negative 2x. Negative 2 times 3, I got negative 6, and I'll do subtraction now. So everything just cancel out, and it's giving me 0 as the remainder. So the final answer for this problem is 2x squared minus x minus 2. So I put it up here. 2x squared minus x minus 2 with no remainder. Okay. Right. Hopefully this helps you guys understand how to do long division between polynomials. Now I'll show you the box method. And no matter which way we do, we should end up with the same answer. Alright, how to use box method. So for box method, I will start with a box. And I have 2x squared here plus x plus 3. So basically I have 3 rows. Okay, and then I will write the final product right here, down here, to remind me. So for x to the 4 plus x squared minus 5x minus 6. So first I start with 4x to the 4. So I need to figure out what term I should put on top here, okay, to multiply to get back to 4x to the 4. So then I would think of 2x squared. Because when I multiply 2x squared with 2x squared, it will give me 4x to the 4 power right here. Okay. Alright. And at the same time, when I figure it out, it's 2x squared times 2x squared give me 4x to the 4. So that means it's also helped me figure out the rest of this column. So then I will have 2x squared times x. Okay, let me show my work right here. So I have 2x squared times 2x squared is 4x to the 4. And then 2x squared times x is give me 2x to the 3rd. And then 2x squared times 3 is give me 6x squared. Okay. Right, then next. I see that I have 2x to the 3rd right here. Okay, I have 2x to the 3rd right here. However, in the final product, I don't have 2x to the 3rd. Therefore, the best way to get rid of it is I need to have negative 2x to the 3rd inside this box so that I can cancel them out. So that means I assume I will have negative 2x to the 3rd right here. So then now they can cancel them out. But that means I need to multiply something with 2x squared in order to get negative 2x cubed in the box. So I need to figure it out what multiplied by 2x squared to get negative 2x cubed. And I think of, maybe I can multiply negative x. So now I take negative x times 2x squared is give me negative 2x cubed. It works out. And then next, that means I also have negative x times x and it's give me negative x squared. Keep going, negative x times 3 is give me negative 3x. Right? And now I need to double check. Okay, so I don't have any term in term of x cubed anymore. However, these two, 6x squared and negative, 6x squared and negative x squared. So I have 6x squared and then negative x squared is give me 5x squared. However, I need to get back to x squared only. So that means I need to fill out something right here. So 5x squared and plus something right here to make it equal to x squared, like what I have in the product. So that means I need to have negative 4x squared here. Okay. So now I need to have the next line, I need to have this one as negative 4x squared. And that means I need to figure out what multiplied by 2x squared to give me negative 4x squared. And I think of negative 2. So now I have negative 2 times 2x squared is give me negative 4x squared. And keep going with that. I have negative 2 times x equals negative 2x. And then I have negative 2 times 3 give me negative 6. And I'll double check. So this negative, so now I will check it here. Negative 3x, I add with negative 2x here, is give me negative 5x. So I don't need to do anything else. And then I do have negative 6x here. So then I don't need to do anything else. That's it for this problem. So that's how I use boxing method to figure it out the other factor of this polynomial. Alright, hopefully it helped you guys understand how to use both ways, long division and also boxing method to do division between polynomials.